Guys, this is a quick video on how to change Instagram region country on Instagram. So there is a way to do it. If you don't have a business account, you can try switching it to a business account, and then it's going to ask you when you're making that business account where you're from, and you can give them a business address. So because I already make this, you can't change that, but there is a way to change if you wanna show that on your profile or not. So you're going to go on settings, you're going to go on account, you're going to go on about your account, and here it says account based in my country. You can click on it and you can turn that off and you can hide it, or you don't have to do that. So yeah, practically that's it. Hope this helped you. See you guys in the next video.